Section the hair in 5 parts, from the highest point of the head to the tip of the ear. A middle parting on top of the head. Section from the middle parting to the sides before the ear. Section the crown area in 2, from the highest point of the head over the crown until behind the ear. Step 1. Use the razor overcomb technique to cut the nape area to get rid of the weight under the occipital bone. Step 2. Shape the contour line with the razor in a straight line. Step 3. Release the crown section. Take diagonal forwards partings and distribute perpendicular with a low projection and cut with the razor in a diagonal forward line. Step 4. Release the contour line at the side and connect the sides to the back by combing the hair behind the ear. Step 5. Comb the hair in front of the ear and connect to the guide behind the ear in a diagonal forward line. Step 6. Take diagonal forward partings and comb the hair parallel to the parting. Cut the hair with the razor in a diagonal forward line. Step 7. Comb the hair from the sides in a C shape on the skin. Cut the underlying hair with a shear in a sharp diagonal forward line. Mirror this technique on the other side. Step 8. Clean the contour line with a shear in a soft V shape. Step 9. Create layers by distributing the hair towards the crown. Cut a stationary guide on top of the crown. Over-project the rest of the top layers to the stationary guideline on the crown to create soft, long layers.